want to write Megan Agi Biro on it? Okay, what color do you want to write it in? Yeah.
She has a pen in her hand.
Do you want to use that?
Well, we came to about
This one? Pick a pen and I can write your name on it.
I come back. But yeah, put your names on it if you can. If mommies can help you write your names. We have plenty of time to do it. So.
Do I use this color?
Yeah. Tell me that.
Okay. Can I write it on you?
I'll tell you.
Okay.
Because, and then I was talking to another lady yesterday, and she said,
You want to put that on your binoculars, Megan? There you go. Good job. Put it on your binoculars.
Look at all the beautiful colors you're putting on.
There we go.
If you want to sit, don't worry.
Oh, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm
Today
actually,
is
it's
a day
just
where we really haven't no picnic tables or benches.
Oh, really?
The rest of the destinations, there will be some picnic tables. Now, the last one, Shoreline, so I can get here, you cannot. You have, that's why I sent that somewhere
Right,
first.
now I saw that.
You must come from San Antonio. It's the only way. There's no, because I tried. Shortcutting it.
There's no way to do it. I think it's a map that's misleading actually.
Because it looks like it's in the park.
It looks like it's
In Shoreline, yeah.
And the road on San Antonio doesn't show in the map.
I thought that email was making it very clear. Truly, there's no other way. Because there's
Yeah.
no other way. Now, in that water, little fishes and little
Whoop,
bugs.
not too
they
far,
like to
Meg.
eat. Have you ever gone fishing? Do we fish by sticking our heads and the beaks in the water?
No.
Getting the fish?
No.
No. We don't do it that way.
We use a fishing pole.
These geese are doing it. That's what you out from?
Where's baby ducks?
They're called pelicans. They're not even ducks.
Where baby ducks?
Kind of bird.
Where baby ducks?
Way down there.
So everybody,
Feet on the ground, Megan.
Canadian geese, you've got to keep your feet on the ground, okay, Rowan? Feet have to stay on the ground. And make sure that you're touching someone with good.
Whoa, look at the baby ducks.
The geese are sleeping. Do you see how they sleep? They tuck their heads in and they sleep.
Look at those white
And
birds.
all the way down there are those white birds, and those are called pelicans. And behind them are a lot of ducks. Should we sing a little song about ducks? 5 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Thank you for helping.
I'm right here, honey.
On Monday, he ate through 1 apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through, there are more bagels for the wild. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 1, 2, 3, 4 strawberries. Who's eating some strawberries today? Who's eating strawberries? Everybody. But he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through